Okay, so I'm almost done with Isaiah's garage. I have to put 4 pieces of trim, 1, 2, and 3, 4 in the back. But I figure I'd just show it off. So, nice thing is, with making a trailer gate, you can get into the whole shed. And just because of the weight of adding extra steel in here, this is only 1/8 inch by 2 inch angle and some heavy expanded metal. But I had to end up putting 2 of the gorilla lifts in. That way I only have 1/8 inch underlayment as the outside skin. I can put on 1/2 inch or even 3/4 inch plywood with double the lifts. I figured maybe the 1/8 inch plywood would be heavy enough, but it wasn't. Or I figured the 1/2 inch plywood would be too heavy, and the 1/8 inch ought to be light enough for 2 of them, and it just wasn't for 1 set. So I had to put 2 sets in, and they work good. But let me go to wide angle here. So it's like 7 by, I believe, 16. And there's a big attic space. And put in 2 cubbies to get in. That way you don't have to reach very far to get to one end or the other end. Isaiah's been wanting a garage since he was 3, so now I'm finally getting around to doing it. And this was all shipping crate for equipment. So all the wood other than the 1/8 inch underlayment was free. Just had to pay for the paint, the tin to do the roof, and I bought some block to crib it up on for the foundation. The paint was probably the most expensive thing, getting paint from Sherwin-Williams, but it seems to be the best paint I could find. The stuff is really nice. But yeah, other than the 2 aluminum trim pieces, that's about it. So Isaiah's got his own garage, and I went to Bellato's because these blocks are just, I dug down set blocks for the foundation. Those blocks are right on top. But I went to Bellato's and I was able to buy a bunch of car jacks. That way I could jack this thing up and get it set till it's really compacted and doesn't move. Then I'll probably go back through and just take them out and shim them up with wood, or just leave them. Because they're mechanical jacks, they don't bleed off or anything like a hydraulic jack will. So no reason to take them out. They're just like a pole in your basement or garage, like a house jack. So Isaiah's got his own garage. Other than the aluminum, the only things I got left, put some lights and receptacles in for his RC cars, but that's about it. Pretty much done. Now time to clean up all this mess. Get all the wood and everything else put away. And this gate with those lift assist springs, it's heavy, but with those springs in, I can lift it up with my foot. It's very easy to lift. And I had Isaiah close it last night and open it to try it, and he can open it with no problem. So little kids can open and close it, and it's nice for us adults because it's not hard to lift.